Hello and welcome back to V's Restoration Report. Last time we spoke about adding that little chip of wood. Let me show you what I've done. As you can see, I did actually do as I told you and tied it on. And as you can see, that is very good. Shaped to be just smaller than the frame. Right, so on to the next stage. This is where it starts to get a bit scary. As you can see, there is no gilding along here, and most of this has come off. Having looked quite closely at this side of the frame, there are so many cracks in it that I think the best practice will be for me to sand or strip the whole of this back. This can be done in several ways. One, with a block and sandpaper. Here. And basically I'm going to be looking to do this properly. Take a lot of this back, get rid of all that gilding, as you can see that gesso has been built up quite thickly here, and that's giving me a lot of confidence that what the conservators said, which is I can fill in this top part here and build that out, it's actually making me a lot more confident about that. Just also to let you know, each stage, apart from this bit, actually does take quite a bit of time. The research took me almost 3 weeks, and just the cleaning of the frame took me 2 weeks. But I'm new to all this, so bound to happen. I am going to be trying to bring this down, maybe to the frame. I'm unsure at the moment, but definitely all of this gilding is going to be coming off. As I can see cracks, and you can see cracks along here. There is a couple of small cracks in here, but actually the cracks go to here. So I'm thinking of taking from there to there and bringing all of this back. This is going to take me, I would say several days, but as I'm totally unsure and I've been wrong every time so far, that this could take me a week. But I will show you the results, and I will show you as I'm going along if I come across anything that's unusual or difficult. A good guide for gilding, because this is water gilding as I've said before, is this book, which conservators said is a very good book, Practical Gilding. Now the one thing about this book is it contains a lot of useful information, and if you thought it was going to be easy before you started, this will scare you. Little thin book. So After I sand down as much as I can, I will have to switch to wire wool because I don't want to damage the frame at all. So all I'm going to be doing is taking off this surface with sandpaper, and I'll be doing it very, very gently, and I won't be using big chunks like this. I'll be rolling down into small pieces just so I can get into these little areas. As I've said before, these cracks are not opening up. I've got the photographs from a month ago which show me that none of these cracks are opening up, so I'm pretty safe. I'm pretty happy with going on and sanding this back. When I sand this back, you'll see what I see. And no, I'm not sanding straight into the floor. I do actually have a cloth on the floor to capture the dust. This is just basically a catch up to let you know exactly what's happening. And as I start to sand this down, I will do another webcast. I have spent the last few days sanding down and finishing up on this frame, and I'd like to show you the problem that I just now found. I've sanded down all of this frame, and I found that if I can get this properly done, and you can see that there is actually light showing through. This is not going to be too much of a problem because, as I said before, the frame is square. I know that the painting sits in the frame correctly, so all I'm going to do is put a little splint in there. To do that, what I did was a piece of wood, my sharp knife, take a little splint off. I've given myself a splint which I've been sanding down, and all I'm going to do is glue it into that top part. I'm not looking to fill it out. All I'm looking to do is put a splint in to support it and make sure this frame never moves. So that will be glued in, and the next time that I'll be speaking to you should be showing you the next stage, which will be the gesso. So, look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.